before when I set up these kind of lines, there's a possibility that we just continue to consolidate sideways. However, supposedly, okay, there should be a big move for FFie here within the next 12 minutes, okay? My rough estimate there, within the next 12 minutes or sooner, right? Let me go ahead and zoom in here. It's barely moving, that's why. Expect a bigger move in the next 12 minutes here, in my personal opinion, right? I can't say for sure if it's going to be up or down. I feel like in the next 12 minutes here, there should be a possible big move here for FFie, okay? So I'm going to keep an eye out for FFie. If you guys are new here, be sure to follow us on the stream. We just talked about this big move to the downside for FFie, right? We didn't know for sure if it was going to go up or down, but all we knew, or all I shared, was watch out for a big move for FFie, right? Yeah, quite crazy. Thanks KT8 for backing me up there. Okay, it broke out of our purple trend line flag here. Someone asked how I knew about how I set up the flag here. And I had a bit of an explanation for that, right? But we did break down below out of the flag here, okay? So the 51 cent as support here. We bounced off of 51 cents, okay? That's pretty crazy in my opinion, right? Not saying that it's going to make another low, right? It's possible we could continue to have a sell-off, but for the moment here, really cool to see 51 cent act as a support for one of the candles here, okay? In terms of reversal, right, we really want to see if we can now test the 53.34 cent resistance, okay? That is the resistance level, and it's slowly going down to the 50 EMA on the minute chart, slowly creeping down. But in terms of a reversal to the upside, what I would want to see is a test is at 53 cent resistance level, right? And I did say throughout today, if we are going to want to see a reversal to the top side, we would want to see a break above the 200 EMA here on the minute chart, right? It didn't happen all day. We tried testing it here, and finally now towards the end of the market, right, the last 30 minutes right now, or I should say the power hour here, okay, last hour of the market, we're finally seeing a break above the 200 EMA, as well as a break above the 53 cent resistance, okay? So what am I looking forward to? Look out for a potential test closer towards 54.5 cents, okay? Again, this is just a possibility, and this is what I'm personally looking out for, okay? If you go into the 5-minute chart, there is the 100 EMA here, okay? That leads to about 54.5 cents, okay? That's what I'm looking forward to, a potential test towards 54.5. I'm going to go ahead and mark that down right now. 54.5 is right about here, okay? Half cents, okay? So this prediction has been completed for FFie, okay? We are now above 54.5 cents, okay? Boom. Done, scalped, okay? I didn't trade this, but I'm just saying this was a prediction, right? We have a bullish crossover here on the minute chart. I don't know how we do this, but throughout today, throughout yesterday, and the previous market trading days, we just keep calling things out, okay? So it's really crazy to see this come to fruition, right? I'm not a guru. I'm just sharing with you what I think might happen, and sometimes it just happens, okay? So it's really cool to see this happen. Yeah, Marina's Maker saying, how do you keep doing this? I don't know, okay? I just happen to share what I think is gonna go, what's gonna happen, right? I do see. I'm sharing with you what I see in my chart here. Like there's a bullish crossover, right? And then I'm sharing the next resistance level I think could get tested, right? I know that there's a bullish crossover, therefore I know that there's gonna be an uptrend, right? There's gonna be an uptrend. I just don't know when the bullish crossover is gonna end, right? No one knows when it's gonna end, but when it starts, right? Typically it does last for a bit, right? And typically there's a lot of volatility when a bull run starts, right? Not always, but in this case there is a bull run here that's going to have a bit of volatility, okay? Told me to zoom out so that he could see the larger triangle, and thanks for reminding me about that, Grandpa. So I think now is a good time to talk about it, okay? So again, minute chart here, we hit a high of 55 cents, okay? I don't expect it to keep going up. There could be a bit of a pullback here, even a short-term pullback, right? I just want to remind everyone that today, there's two important things to keep an eye out for FFie, okay? This morning we had this triangle set up here, okay? This blue triangle, okay? I'm not saying that I called it out that it's going to go exactly down to 51 cents, right? But I did say, a lot of you guys were here for it too, I did say that there's going to be a big move for FFie during today, okay? During this triangle here, okay? I said there's going to be a big move. I don't know if it's going to go up or down, but I know that there is going to be a big move, right? And that big move occurred right here. We dropped down into 51 cents. How did I know that? Well, we broke outside of this. We were getting close to the end of this triangle here, right? And usually when you get close to the end of the triangle, it either breaks up or below, okay? And it decided to break below it, okay? Remember this triangle, okay? This triangle is on the minute chart, okay? This is the minute chart of this morning, okay? Now, as of right now, we are making a move up, right? This is really good. If you're bullish on FFie, there is a bullish run here, okay? Bullish entry point here, in my opinion. Bullish crossover, okay? Okay, so you remember the blue triangle I was just talking about, right? Let's go ahead and zoom out onto the 30-minute chart, okay? Maybe even the hourly chart, okay? But this, again, this is the 30-minute chart. It's really hard to see, but there's this big purple triangle I created, okay? There's this big purple triangle I created, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and zoom back in and show you that big purple triangle, okay? Similar to the blue triangle, right? This is the big purple triangle, and it's coming to an end, okay? It's coming to an end. It could be today or tomorrow, okay? I said this earlier, either today or tomorrow. I think there's gonna be a really big move. It could be either be up or down, okay? And I'm gonna say it again. I don't know if it's gonna be down or up. All I know is I feel, in my opinion, okay, just my opinion and my speculation, I think there's going to be a big move up or down within today or tomorrow, okay? So I know a lot of you guys are hoping that it's going to go up, right? So I'm wishing you guys the best, right? I'm not saying it's going to go up or down, but I'm just saying, in my personal opinion, I do think there's going to be a big move either today or tomorrow for FFie. Why? Because it's coming, the triangle is closing here, okay? At least in my chart, right? This is just an estimate, okay? And it's also a speculation, okay? Obviously, it's not guaranteed to happen, but it is just my opinion. How big? Okay, good question. How big, right? So this is what Kate8 was asking, right? Kate8 was saying, is the next level 76 resistance, right? Well, let's go ahead and zoom out, okay? I do have a low and I have a high, okay? So I have two price ranges I'm looking at, okay? As for the top side and bottom, okay, so let's go to the bottom side first, okay? In my opinion, if this thing drops big and low, right, it could potentially drop to 35 cents or more, okay? But I do have 35 cents pointed out here, okay? I believe because we made a low of 35 cents not too long ago, okay? So I have 35 cents as a potential big dip. In terms of a big run up, okay, I have 76 cents, okay? Because recently we had a high of 76.80, okay? So if there is a big move up outside of this triangle, right? If we break above this triangle, that is bullish. We might see a move possibly up towards 76 cents, okay? Maybe it won't be exactly 76, but it will definitely be in that direction, okay? Okay. So again, within today or tomorrow, I think there may be a big move for FFie. Again, not a financial advisor. Please view this as entertainment purposes, right? I'm just sharing my personal opinion and speculation here. I'm also gonna give you a heads up though. On the 5-minute chart, we are close to the 200 EMA. There could be a rejection here at 57 cents. Okay, we'll see how it happens. We'll see if it breaks above, but there is resistance here at 57 cents. If you have any doubts, this is a potential exit, okay, or a potential scalp, right? 57 cents here is a resistance level. Okay, so this is a potential exit where you don't look back and you're just like, okay, I'm cool with the scalp here. This is good, right? Okay, any more than that, there's a possible, like, you know, more move to the top side, although we don't know for sure if there's a rejection here. Okay, just saying. So 57 cents is a resistance level. It is the 200 EMA here. Okay, we don't know for sure if we can break above it, so there might be some volatility here, but in my opinion, how I view it, this is a potential exit for some people, okay? Because we are close to the 200 EMA, which is a resistance at 57 cents, okay?